In today's video, we'll explore different fasting protocols and help you determine which one is right for you. Let's dive in. Fasting has been practiced for centuries for various health, spiritual, and cultural reasons. At its core, fasting involves abstaining from food or drink for a specific period. It can help with weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, and even promote cellular repair. There are a lot of fasting protocols out there, so let's just explore the most popular ones. First is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is a popular fasting protocol that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. The most common IF patterns are 16-8, 18-6, and 24, where the numbers represent hours of fasting and eating, respectively. IF is suitable for those who prefer a simple and flexible approach to fasting without drastically changing their daily routine. Next is something called the 5-2 diet. The 5-2 diet is another form of intermittent fasting. It involves eating normally for 5 days a week and consuming a reduced calorie intake, typically between 500 to 600 calories, on 2 non-consecutive days. This fasting protocol is ideal for those who can't fast for extended periods, but still want to experience the benefits of intermittent fasting. Next is alternate day fasting. Alternate day fasting involves fasting every other day and eating without restrictions on the non-fasting days. Some variations of this protocol allow for a small meal, around 500 calories, on fasting days. This method can be more challenging than other protocols, but it may lead to more significant weight loss and health improvements. Next up is the warrior diet. The warrior diet is a type of intermittent fasting that involves eating small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and consuming a large meal in the evening within a 4-hour window. Inspired by ancient warriors' eating habits, this protocol is designed to optimize fat burning and muscle growth. Then there's prolonged fasting. Prolonged fasting involves abstaining from food for extended periods, typically 48 hours or more. This type of fasting can offer more substantial health benefits, but it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting prolonged fasting, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. The benefit of this approach is that you can achieve significant weight loss over a short period of time, especially if you're overweight or obese. In fact, there are some doctors that conduct medically supervised fasts for obese patients that can last as long as 30 days. Prolonged fasting also triggers autophagy, which is the body's process of breaking down old cells that can cause damage in the body. So, which fasting protocol is right for you? The answer depends on your lifestyle, health goals, and personal preferences. Here are a few tips to help you decide. Start with a less restrictive method, like 16-8 intermittent fasting, and gradually increase the fasting duration if you feel comfortable. Consider your daily routine and social life, and choose a protocol that fits your schedule and won't significantly disrupt your activities. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues, energy levels, and overall well-being, and adjust your fasting protocol as needed. Consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or concerns. And lastly, experiment with different protocols. It may take some trial and error to find the one that works best for you. In conclusion, fasting can be a powerful tool for improving health and wellness, but it's essential to choose a protocol that aligns with your unique needs and goals. Remember to be patient and give your body time to adapt. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks again for watching, and happy hacking.